Technical English.
Tiếng Anh ngành kỹ thuật.
Unit 11. Materials. Recording 29.
Our sales of skis have been very successful in the past year. As we have some cash reserves now, I would suggest that we turn our attention to the manufacture of snowboards. However, before we do anything else, we could carry out some specific market research into local, national and international markets.
We don't have a product range yet, not even a prototype. Why don't we start an R&D program that could run concurrently? Then we should end up with a product specification and a marketing plan at about the same time. What about hiring an R&D specialist with expertise in manufacturing snowboards?
That's possible. In fact, that's a very good suggestion. Let's try finding someone with the right kind of expertise. Would you like to take charge of that to start with?
OK, I'll get onto that straight away.
And let's meet again in a week's time to check on progress.
Unit 11. Recording 30.
I've been doing some research into the manufacture of snowboards, and this is what I've found out. A snowboard is a laminated board. That is a board made up of several layers. The top of the board is a layer of acrylic with the manufacturer's logo and artwork, which are very important. Then come several layers of fiberglass above and below the hardwood core. That goes onto the base. The core of the board is hardwood because hardwood has lots of good properties. It has long fibres. That means reduced vibration, so the board shakes less as it goes over the snow. Secondly, hardwood is strong, and it's also rigid in torsion. So torsional rigidity. OK? Above and below the wooden core, you put layers of laminated fiberglass. 2 layers above and 2 layers below, making 4 in total. That's kind of standard. The fiberglass is light, stiff, and it's strong in torsion. Some manufacturers add extra layers, for example, carbon fibre, Kevlar, or honeycomb aluminium. Kevlar is popular, and I think that's what we should go for. It provides elasticity and strength. The base is made of polyethylene plastic. That's the same for all kinds of boards. Now, there are 2 kinds of base. One is extruded and the other is sintered. But I recommend extruded. Basically, it's a cheaper, low-maintenance board. It's smoother than the sintered board, but it's slower and it doesn't soak up wax. That means you can't put wax on an extruded base to make it go faster over the snow. So an extruded board ends up with more surface friction than the sintered board. But on the other hand, it's cheaper and it's easier to repair. So the characteristics of the sintered base are the exact opposite of the extruded base. I think that's about all. To finish, I've got a video clip off the internet for you. It shows the kind of machinery you need if you decide to manufacture your own line of snowboard.
Unit 11. Recording 31.
Absorbent. Absorbency. Ductile. Ductility. Durable. Durability. Elastic. Elasticity. Flammable. Flammability. Flexible. Flexibility. Malleable. Malleability. Non-flammable. Non-flammability. Plastic. Plasticity. Rigid. Rigidity.
Ngoại ngữ chuyên ngành.com